Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change color temperature on Nokia Smart TV. To do this, we'll need to click on this 3 lines button on our remote, then go to the right so you can find the settings, scroll down for device preferences, then scroll down again and select the picture. Right here on the bottom we have a color temperature and you can change it to user, cool, standard and warm. There's also option to adjust the gain of each of the colors, so there's red, green and blue, and you can adjust them using the slider. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.